Building the world around us has always relied on concrete, brick, and stone. But today, construction is changing. Faster, smarter, and often more sustainable. In this video, we'll explore 20 different innovations, from walls that snap together like blocks, to roads that can be marked in seconds, to solar panels that blend seamlessly into surfaces. Let's dive in. The Lightform Compact Corner is a smart solution for building concrete walls. Instead of struggling with traditional wood forms, this system uses lightweight, insulated blocks that lock into place at corners. They're easy to stack, reduce waste, and provide built-in insulation once the wall is poured. For builders, it means faster setup and stronger, energy-efficient structures. For homeowners, it means lower heating and cooling bills. It's a simple corner block, but it represents a big leap toward efficiency. Once the walls are stacked, precision matters. The BTM system is designed to quickly straighten walls, ensuring they're perfectly plumb. In traditional construction, this step can be slow and labor-intensive. But with specialized braces and adjustments, BTM makes the process faster and more reliable. The result? Walls that are not just strong, but perfectly aligned, reducing costly errors and saving time on site. Dry stack blocks bring the idea of Lego-style construction into the real world. No mortar, no waiting for drying, just stack and go. It speeds up construction dramatically and allows for easy design flexibility. For builders, it's less mess and more productivity. For property owners, it means projects can be completed in record time. Road safety often depends on visibility. SpotFlex, a cold plastic marking material, allows for durable, structured road lines that resist wear and weather. Unlike paint that fades quickly, SpotFlex markings are thick, textured, and long-lasting, improving traction and safety, especially in wet conditions. Faster application means less road closure time, making this a win for both drivers and municipalities.
When erosion control is critical, concrete canvas offers a revolutionary approach. It's essentially concrete rolled out like a fabric, then hydrated with water to harden in place. For lining drainage channels, it's quick, durable, and requires minimal labor compared to traditional poured concrete. Its strength lies in speed. Crews can unroll, secure, and set an entire channel in hours rather than days. Plus, the material is thinner and lighter to transport, yet still provides decades of durability.
Soil stability is often a hidden challenge in construction.
EnviroGrid geocells use a honeycomb-like structure to hold soil or gravel in place, preventing erosion and distributing weight evenly. This makes them perfect for road bases, slope protection, and even green landscaping. Compared to traditional retaining walls or heavy fill, geocells save material, reduce costs, and are environmentally friendly. Waterways and shorelines are constantly battling erosion. Hydrotex offers an encapsulated concrete mattress that conforms to the surface it covers. Installed underwater or along banks, it creates a flexible but solid barrier against currents and waves. Unlike rigid slabs, Hydrotex adapts to terrain and continues to protect even if the ground shifts. The system extends the life of infrastructure like bridges, canals, and levees, while reducing maintenance costs. For communities vulnerable to flooding, it's a solution that combines strength with adaptability. Safety on highways often depends on concrete barriers. Beaten block introduces connectable jersey barriers that lock together seamlessly, creating strong, continuous walls. Their modular design makes them easy to transport, set in place, and later rearrange if traffic patterns change. Unlike permanent barriers, these can be reused for construction zones or event spaces, providing flexibility without compromising safety. It's practical infrastructure designed for a world that's always on the move. Imagine grass you can actually drive on. Drivable turf systems make that possible, using a reinforced grid beneath the surface that protects soil and roots while carrying the weight of vehicles. It's ideal for overflow parking, fire lanes, or pathways where you want greenery without losing functionality. The result is a natural look with the strength of pavement, a balance of aesthetics and utility that's especially valuable in parks, campuses, and residential areas. The Nautilus Evo is a lightweight formwork system used in reinforced concrete slabs. By creating hollow sections within the slab, it reduces the amount of concrete needed without sacrificing strength. That means lighter structures, cost savings, and better sustainability. Outdoor spaces are easier than ever to upgrade with composite deck tiles. These interlocking tiles simply snap into place, covering patios or balconies without nails, glue, or heavy tools. They're weather-resistant, low-maintenance, and available in a variety of finishes. Compared to traditional decking,
installation takes a fraction of the time, while still offering a stylish and durable surface. Bricawood introduces a wooden brick system designed for eco-friendly homes. Each interlocking brick stacks without nails, glue, or mortar, making construction fast and reversible. The system reduces waste, promotes sustainability, and allows small homes to be assembled like giant puzzles. Beyond speed, the appeal lies in design freedom. Walls can be taken apart and reused, giving homeowners flexibility rarely seen in traditional housing. It's a glimpse into how affordable, sustainable housing might look in the future.
Water infiltration can be a nightmare for concrete structures. Ohm-brand W-plugging mortar offers a quick, reliable sealing solution. Applied directly to leaks, it expands to block water under pressure, creating an immediate barrier. Traditional repairs can take hours and require drying time, but this system works instantly. It's especially valuable for tunnels, sewers, and basements, places where downtime isn't an option.
Acoustic panels are becoming an essential part of modern interiors, not just for looks, but for comfort. The Norj system makes installation simple, whether you're using the Pro line or the basic version. Each panel is designed to mount easily to walls, giving rooms a stylish wood finish while immediately improving sound quality. The effect is less echo, better speech clarity, and a warmer atmosphere. For offices, studios, or even living rooms, these panels combine design with function, making spaces quieter and more pleasant without complicated tools or construction. Solar power has become a cornerstone of sustainable energy, but traditional panels often limit where and how they can be installed. The general solar PV system changes that. Instead of rigid panels mounted on bulky frames, this technology applies photovoltaic material directly onto a synthetic base layer. This flexibility allows for installation on rooftops, facades, or curved structures where standard panels simply wouldn't work. It also reduces the overall weight of the system, making it easier to transport and handle on-site. Crews can apply the material quickly, without heavy lifting or complicated supports. The benefits extend beyond speed. By integrating solar into the very skin of a building, general solar PV opens the door to architectural freedom. Surfaces that were once unused, like curved walls or lightweight roofs, can now generate clean electricity. For businesses, it means cutting long-term energy costs. For cities, it means scaling up solar without needing vast open land.
Compared to traditional solar farms, this system brings renewable energy into urban environments where demand is highest. It represents a shift from add-on technology to built-in energy production, making renewable power an integral part of construction.
Chimneys are among the hardest working parts of a home, exposed to heat, moisture, and years of wear. Over time, cracks and leaks can form, putting both safety and efficiency at risk. Traditionally, fixing this meant a costly and disruptive rebuild. Eldfast offers a smarter alternative. This system applies a special ceramic coating inside the chimney flue. The material bonds to the existing structure, sealing gaps and reinforcing weak points. Installation is quick, often completed in a single day, with no need to dismantle the chimney. For homeowners, the benefits are clear. The relined chimney prevents harmful gases from leaking, improves draft efficiency, and extends the lifespan of heating systems. For heritage properties, it provides an upgrade without damaging original masonry, preserving history while ensuring safety. In practical terms, Eldfast saves money, time, and worry. It turns a complex renovation into a straightforward maintenance step, keeping homes warmer, safer, and more efficient for years to come.
Keeping buildings energy efficient is more important than ever. The SpiderX K8 external insulation system is designed to make that process faster and more reliable. Instead of layering insulation piece by piece, K8 panels are engineered for quick installation across exterior walls. The system creates a continuous thermal envelope that reduces heat loss and eliminates cold bridges. Unlike interior insulation, which eats into living space, this method works outside the structure, preserving room size while improving comfort. Contractors benefit from speed and precision. The panels are lightweight, easy to cut, and lock into place securely. Once installed, they form the perfect base for finishing layers, from plaster to decorative facades. The long-term advantages are significant. Reduced heating and cooling needs, lower energy bills, and cut carbon emissions. With energy costs rising, that's not just sustainable, it's economical. For homeowners, it means warmer winters, cooler summers, and a property that holds its value. For builders, it's a proven system that combines efficiency with performance. SpiderX K8 shows how construction can deliver both comfort and sustainability, helping buildings meet today's standards while preparing for the future.
When soil erosion threatens landscapes or infrastructure, EnviroFlex articulated concrete blocks provide a flexible but permanent solution. The blocks are linked, allowing them to adapt to ground movement while still holding soil in place. This makes them ideal for shorelines, slopes, and embankments. It's a practical alternative to rigid walls, strong enough to last, but adaptable enough to withstand nature's forces. Mixing and transporting concrete has always been a labor-intensive process. Traditional job sites often require a separate mixer, wheelbarrows, and multiple workers to move and pour material. The concrete mixer bucket offers a smarter solution by attaching directly to loaders or excavators. The design allows crews to scoop raw material, mix it thoroughly inside the bucket, and then pour it exactly where it's needed, all with the same machine. This integration reduces the number of steps and eliminates the need for extra equipment. On small and medium projects, the advantages are obvious. Fewer workers are required, less time is wasted, and safety improves since heavy manual handling is minimized. The bucket can deliver concrete quickly to areas that are hard to reach, making it ideal for remote or uneven sites. From sidewalks to farmyards to foundation work, the mixer bucket adapts easily. It also cuts down on cleanup, since the machine contains the mixing process and reduces spillage. For contractors, that means lower labor costs and tighter schedules. Instead of concrete being a bottleneck on site, this system turns it into a streamlined process. It's an example of how a small piece of equipment can make a big difference in productivity. Concrete has shaped our modern world, but it comes with a heavy environmental footprint. Earth concrete takes a different approach by blending traditional earthen building methods with modern cement technology. The result is a hybrid material that is strong yet sustainable. By incorporating local soil into the mix, earth concrete reduces the need for energy-intensive cement production. It also creates a natural look that feels warmer and more organic than standard concrete. Builders can mold it into walls, blocks, or panels, achieving durability while using fewer industrial resources. For communities, the benefits are cultural as well as practical. Earth concrete allows for structures that reflect local heritage while meeting modern standards for safety and longevity. It's particularly valuable in regions seeking affordable housing that doesn't sacrifice identity. Beyond appearance, the material offers real-world resilience. It regulates indoor temperatures naturally, cuts down on material transport, and lowers overall construction costs. In an industry seeking greener solutions, earth concrete stands out as a balance between tradition and technology.
Brick has always been one of the most trusted building materials, admired for its durability and timeless appeal. But traditional bricklaying is slow, heavy, and costly. Eurobrick reimagines the process with a lightweight cladding system that brings the same classic look without the drawbacks. Instead of full bricks stacked with mortar, Eurobrick uses slim brick slips fixed to backing panels. These panels are attached to walls and then pointed to create the appearance of solid brickwork. The result is indistinguishable from traditional construction, but far quicker to install. For renovation projects, Eurobrick is especially valuable. Older buildings can be refreshed with a brick facade without reinforcing their structure to handle heavy loads. For new construction, the system speeds up schedules and reduces labor demands. Contractors gain flexibility, and property owners gain the beauty of brick without the extra expense. The system is also highly adaptable. It can be applied indoors or outdoors, on commercial developments, residential homes, or even modular buildings. Insulated backing options improve thermal performance, meaning Eurobrick doesn't just look good, it contributes to energy savings as well. In a marketplace where time is money, Eurobrick combines speed, efficiency, and aesthetics. It carries forward the enduring charm of brick while aligning with modern construction needs. That blend of tradition and innovation ensures brick will remain part of our architectural landscape for generations, even as the methods evolve.
Good acoustics can completely transform a space, but many people assume it requires expensive renovations. Acoustic panels prove otherwise. This system is designed for straightforward installation, so almost anyone can add professional sound treatment at home or in the workplace. The panels are lightweight and come ready to mount. With just a few screws or clips, they attach securely to walls or ceilings. No special tools, no mess, and no need for professional installers. The entire process is quick, making it possible to complete a room in a single afternoon. The benefits go far beyond appearance. Acoustic panels reduce reverberation, cut down background noise, and create a more balanced sound environment. That means clearer conversations in offices, better focus in classrooms, and improved listening experiences in home theaters. They also contribute to overall well-being, less noise stress, and a more peaceful atmosphere. Compared to heavy soundproofing or complex renovations, this solution is affordable and versatile. Panels can be rearranged, expanded, or replaced over time, adapting to changing needs.
With their clean, modern look, they don't just improve sound, they also elevate the design of any space. It's a small change with a big impact. Better acoustics, improved comfort, and an environment that feels both modern and inviting.